Good morning.
Good morning. Namaste.
Now we are taking private jet to trekking starting place, which will take about 2 hours, and then we start our hike to Chumrung today. Short and easy day, and both kids gonna walk fast.
Yeah.
Huh? So what do you do then? You want to stay here back? From Pokhara, after the 3 hours ride, we came to Chinunada and then heading to Chumrung today, crossing the longest suspension bridge on the way to Annapurna Base Camp, which is 287 meters.
Right here.
We did it. ए भान्जा के हो यार भान्जा थैट तेरो मामाहरूलाई नमस्ते छैन यार भान्जा थुत ल हो
I don't even have it on. I want to take a picture.
यो त है
छैन यतैतिर हैन
को त पल्छ अँ बिस्तारै बिस्तारै
Very warm. A sweaty cigarette.
Come, high
You're
five.
welcome.
Come, baby.
You're welcome.
Still, still.
You made it?
Okay, you want to take a picture? Turn the camera on.
Oh, you did it. Come, high five. High five. I do high five here. Come, high five. High five.
Yeah, like this.
Day one.
Good. Day 2 of our trek. We had a beautiful morning. And we are heading to Bamboo. Let's do it, guys.
Let's do it.
Yeah. See the beautiful stairs.
lot.
Yeah.
Cheerleader. Hey, you will get up there.
Hello there.
मलाई नै खोजेको डोर्याउन पनि कसो मान्दै चाहिँ डोर्याउ
No, you just hold her. But they're slippery down there. Slippery. Yeah. Go up. Look at that, she's so strong now. We made it! Whoop!
Bamboo.
Whoop! High five!
Woo!
Oh. We made it! Come on, high five! High five!
Is this our guest house, this one?
Yeah.
Stop, Riley.
Day 3 of the trek, we're heading to the rally from Bamboo. The kids are doing so good. Morning.
Morning. Morning.
Wow, what a view! It's beautiful. Less than 5-hour walk from Bamboo to the rally, we made it. Day 4, the day we are heading to Annapurna Base Camp. And the weather looks awesome. It's beautiful. Might be chilly in the morning. Oops.
Oh no, I just like,
Yeah.
I almost freaking can't believe it.
Oh my God. Look at this. How beautiful it is. With the new snow. It's simply amazing. We arrived at Embassy. It's a beautiful morning. Sunshine. It's just spectacular. Look at this. Look at the old lady here. You said you were 84, right? Huh? Lady, 84 years. 88, I think. 88. 88. Go on, keep going, keep going. Keep going, wow. Keep going. Wow. Good. Which one?
7th photo.
7 photo?
Yeah, with that.
Oh, okay.
Including you.
Mm-hmm.
That was the 8th.
They need all the jackets. They're wearing jackets.
Go, go. He want to give you chocolate. Okay, you guys just smash it. Come on, high five.
Yeah, made it.
Oop.
Mookie,
Oop.
over here.
Come on, high five. You did it. You did it. Wow. You did it. What do you want now? Huh?
You guys did it.
Picture of me.
I did.
And again.
Hello. Why do you drop? Why do you drop it? Did you drop it? Okay, here you go then.
I don't know how you guys do it. Let's go.
Okay, come a bit more.
Come there. Let's go there.
Water? Puppy?
With blue hair.
Okay, come.
You want your soak or no? Down high, right?
Come here. So much snow here. Come. Any?
Gotta go the hard way.
More snow. I'm gonna play in the snow.
Okay, this is our home for tonight. Come here.
Finally! Well done, Alaki.